As a man, in your repairing journey, let me tell you what a fit body will do to you. It will tell a lot about you without saying anything. It shows how much you respect the body that God gave you. It shows how much you respect yourself. It shows what kind of discipline you have in terms of diet and food. And you can't repair your life and your system with a weak body. That's why you need to have fit and strong physique to be able to fix your system and fix your life and repair it in the right way.